Best deals. Versatile food prep kitchen gadgets with slide-out bins, cutter, slicer, chopper and much more to keep and prepare ingredients freshly and accessible. Complete set of tidy meal prep system kitchen essentials helps streamline slicing, chopping, and storage. These smart kitchen gadgets are an eco-friendly tidy board, mess-free cooking setup, breakfast station and kitchen prep station ideal for prepping meals with ease and efficiency. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Grater. Features a twist switch for easy control. With a 90mm inlet and 110mm outlet, it increases slicing efficiency. The powerful motor handles large volumes of food quickly, making it an excellent electric cheese shredder for busy kitchens. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Spoon holder. Can be used as a spoon, whisk, spatula holder and other utensil holders. It is 4 inches wide to hold any cooking utensils. The grooves are deep enough to hold cooking utensils in place, preventing grease from running onto the table or accidental spills. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cheese grater. Made with razor-sharp etched stainless steel blades for enjoying finely grated cheese effortlessly. Sprinkle some flavor over a salad, pizza, pasta, a bowl of soup or use it as a citrus zester for adding a tangy twist to your recipes. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Drain strainer. With a large capacity design, the sink strainer can help you effectively deal with garbage in the sink and reduce the frequency of emptying. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Straws. Designed in diverse colors of blue, green, champagne, pink, blue-gray and yellow, and assorted curly shapes, presenting a creative and colorful visual effect while providing an interesting way for people to drink, both adults and children, made of quality high borosilicate glass material with exquisite workmanship. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Bowl covers. Disposable food covers can be stretched on any dish and plate, and they are reusable. When attached to the top of the container, they form an airtight seal that makes your food fresher and longer. It is the good choice for you to seal leftovers. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Ice cube tray. Just insert the ice grid and rotate the lid of the cup. Ice cubes fall directly into the cup, pollution-free and save time. The trays stack easily and neatly in the freezer, which can save a lot of space. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Pot holders. Featuring an open mouth design, oven mitts eliminate the need to distinguish between left and right hands, enhancing cooking efficiency. Interior anti-skid strips improve grip strength, facilitating easy handling of wet kitchen utensils. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Soap dish. Made from high-quality ceramic material which is more stable and long-lasting than plastic soap dishes. Also, it's not easily to be molding like silicone or bamboo soap dish after over-time use. Its unique self-draining design prevents your soap from soggy. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Spiral potato cutter. Made of high-quality food-grade 304 stainless steel, durable and long-lasting. Non-slip rubber foot provides excellent stability and comfortable handle helps you operating with ease. Easy to use, simply skew the potato with provided long skewer, fix the prep potato on the machine, then keep pushing up the adjustable advice and rotate the hand crank. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Batter dispenser. Great for pancakes, crepes, cupcakes, waffles, thinner muffins. Simply press on trigger and batter immediately dispenses, efficiently releases batter, quickly open-close the valve, control the batter as you want. Even the kids can easily use this too. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Soap dispenser. Fill the caddy with your favorite dish soap. Gently press down on the tray to dispense soap directly onto the sponge with one hand, and it will dispense appropriate amount of soap onto the sponge. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Mason jar. Lid is suitable for wide mouth mason jars. You can use it to turn your mason jar into a versatile pitcher that can be applied to pour and store a variety of liquids and foods, suitable for milk, iced tea, iced coffee, cereal, beverages and juice sealed storage. It is easy to clean and can be applied for a long time. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Ice Cube Tray. The pellet ice cube tray is designed with user convenience in mind. The plastic material releases the ice cubes easily without sticking or messing. The little scoop make picking the ice easier. Box can store plenty of ice cubes that can satisfy the demand for family party. This ice cube tray with lid features an airtight lid and is designed with a waterproof platform to tightly cover the ice cube tray. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Tongs. Feature cushioned grip handles, offering a secure and comfortable hold, reducing the risk of slips and accidents in the kitchen. Experience worry-free cooking with our heat-resistant kitchen tongs, ensuring your hands stay safe from burns while handling hot foods. Perfectly designed with square heads and threaded tips, our metal tongs are ideal for effortlessly picking up a variety of items from vegetables and meats to cheese, bread, salads, and fruits. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Ceramic trivets. Equipped with 5 mm non-slip cork pad to protect your desktop from scratches while effectively isolating heat and moisture, can be hung on the wall for easy storage and can be decorative. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Cutting board. Comes with 3 containers made of silicone so it can be collapsed to save space. Containers also have clip-on, seal-tight lids so you can safely store food. Our containers are microwavable and dishwasher safe. Chop the veggies, slide it into the large opening. Food falls directly into the tray, leaving your countertop mess-free. Juice grooves, indented handles, rubber cushions, collapsible containers with seal-tight lids, sturdy graters and made of 100% organic bamboo. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Shredder. Design includes built-in plastic teeth and extra spikes, ensuring even shredding of cooked meat in seconds. The ergonomic handle and anti-slip base offer comfort and stability during use, includes an automatic liquid dispenser, making cleanup effortless. The included silicone base mat and food tong add to the practicality and ease of use. The transparent lid allows you to monitor the shredding process, ensuring precision. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Caddy sponge holder. Made of high-quality PP plus TPR wheat straw materials that are eco-friendly, durable, flexible and easy to cleaning, good organizer for kitchen sink small items like sponge, duster cloth. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Egg separator. Engineered with precision, the egg white separator features meticulously designed openings that allow the whites to pass through while securely holding the yolks within, making it perfect for baking enthusiasts and professional chefs alike. Constructed from high-quality ceramic, this egg yolk separator promises resilience and longevity. Product link is given in the 20th link.